Avoid excess mortar in grout joints when laying large format tile by keeping a strict routine of controlled mortar application and immediate cleaning as you work. Use the right notch trowel and maintain a consistent mortar bed depth so ridges do not collapse into joints when the tile is set. For large format tile, that usually means a trowel with larger notches and buttering the back of the tile where needed to ensure full coverage without overpacking the perimeter. Apply only enough mortar to achieve full contact and a flat plane, combing in straight lines and never slapping or backbuttering beyond the edge of the tile. When you set each tile, align and tap gently with a rubber mallet and use a level to detect any high spots that can squeeze mortar into the joint. Remove excess immediately with the flat edge of your notched trowel or a margin trowel while the mortar is still plastic. Keep a bucket of clean water and a fresh sponge on hand, and clean the exposed sides of the joint and the tile face after every few tiles, wiping in a single pass and rinsing the sponge frequently so you are not redistributing paste. If you must step away, do a quick cleanup pass on the visible joints around your work area because even a short cure time makes removal harder and risks leaving a thin skin that tears during grouting. For deep or uneven joints, consider a temporary foam wedge or bond breaker to control mortar intrusion and maintain consistent joint width before final grouting. The three most common mistakes are overloading the trowel, which creates excessive ridge collapse into joints, waiting too long to clean, which lets mortar skin over and bond, and inconsistent mortar coverage that forces installers to overfill edges. Fix the first by combing mortar at a steady pace and removing excess from the trowel before each stroke so you lay down only what you need. Fix the second by instituting an immediate cleanup ritual where you wipe joints and tile faces every few tiles and before any break in work. Fix the third by using a flat check method, backbutter where needed for void filling, press tiles into place, and then inspect the back of a removed tile occasionally to confirm full coverage, adjusting technique rather than adding more mortar at the edges. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors so we can find professionals for large format tile work and other remodeling needs. We also help contractors find work and grow their client base, and we host a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences on topics like preventing mortar overflow and cleaning grout joints.